Kamusta? This is Nick Fana. So far, y'all know that I've been to cosplay cons. In 2019, I went to RetroCon. And in 2025, I went to a Comic-Con called Comiket. Con here, con there. Does that make me a con artist? Now for this video, let me show you my POV during the Philippine Book Fair. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notifications. Nabalitaan ko ang Philippine Book Fair sa tatay ko. Andon si Paul Medina Jr., the author of Pugad Baboy Comics, at gustong magpa-autograph ni Daddy sa kanya. May mga binili siyang akda.
Balkuwa the Deep. Des.
May mga binili siyang akda ni Paul Medina Jr. bukod sa Pugad Baboy. Tapos kasama niya sa booth si AJ Bakar. Yes, the author of Escape Comics. Andun siya sa Comiket last year pero hindi ko siya naabutan. Magpapa-autograph din sana ako sa kanyang akda na Man vs. Ipis. Buka mo, wala pa. Sir AJ, baka naman. I know them both, so I wanna go there too and meet them. This is also my first time attending a book fair. I don't read as much as I write, so I didn't know what will I see in a book fair until I stepped into the venue.
Meron silang walk-in, tas tatatakan ka talaga.
Yes, of course, there are books. Well, I thought it would only be novels or short stories. But this event is celebrating Philippine literature, fiction and non-fiction. Diyan ka rin pwedeng kumuha ng oportunidad kung gusto mong maging writer. Dito rin magkakakilala ang mga autor at saka yung mga manunulat sa Pilipinas. First, eyes on the prize.
Now, let's go look for Paul Medina and Escape if he's here. Magkatabi lang daw sila, I heard. Ayan, magkatabi sila. Ayan, I can see them. I can see the booth. Pero hindi ko pa sila nakikita. Ang daming mga people. Wala pa ata sila eh. Ay, ayun siya. Nasa harapan ko na, hindi ko napansin. Ayun siya ulit. Hello po ulit. Ako din po ulit.
Pero po, sinusundan kayo ng mga mamaya. At sa kayo magpunta.
Sa Comiket din po ako last year.
Nag-sumikat tayo na itong end of March. Dito din.
Sayang.
Reprinted to, sir?
Oo, hindi ko may cover.
Yung original ko na wala eh. Kasi
Dilaw?
yung ano,
Nung time na minit ko uli si Sir Paul, wala pa si Sir AJ. So,
Oh, mami, nakabili ka. Signed na? Nagka-picture ka ba? Oo, siyempre.
Maganda isa.
baka di kasi. Hindi to, sa tingin ko. Parang kasya ba sa'yo? Pwede naman.
then I met some of the authors from Dogan's Book Publishing. They sound new to me, and I got to interview one of their authors.
Hi, I'm a new writer. I wrote this book, children's book. I have 4 books now. And my advice to aspiring writers is always keep on writing. Even when you find it difficult or when you're running out of ideas or you're just not in the mood, just write. Even 1 or 2 sentences will help. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you also.
Later, I was invited to a book launch. Habang wala pa yung book launch, Nag-lunch muna kami. Tapos nag-ikot uli.
Amaze, amaze, amaze.
Hello!
Na to, puro mga ano to, college books. And then BBS radio stations. Long time no see, BBS. Siyempre gusto ko ng freebie galing sa PBS mismo dahil dito rin ako nag-OJT dati.
Sa mabalita, isang Pinay mula sa Capiz na si Catherine Jewel Colvin sumabak sa grand finale ng France Got Talent. Nakamit niya ang third place matapos ang
Okay, let's go. Continue. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakita ng dyaryo. Times have changed. So, dito rin ay meron din Business Mirror, print media. Yan, si Bulgar, tsaka si Viva One.
Nakikita naman sarili. Hi!
Kita yung sarili.
Hello! Nakikita ka sa YouTube to.
Ikaw nga, nakaka-livestream pa ba to?
Baka makita ko sa pagmundo nito. Hello!
Huh? Huh?
Bukod sa publishers ng mga universities at ng Big Four, dito rin matatagpuan ang mga gumawa ng ating textbook mula preschool hanggang senior high at sa mga guro. Then I heard from my mom na naroon din ang isang sikat na reporter.
So famous na maraming babaeng kinikilig sa kanya na during my college days, siya yung sana all ko. Atom Araulio. After that little starstruck moment upon seeing Sir Atom, here it is, the book launch of When Silence Wins.
Thank you ma'am for your question and here's your mini book keychain. Yung mga nanalo ng mini book keychain, sa likod po niyan may QR code para sa aming Shopee at TikTok shop. I would like to ask both the author and the illustrators, can you share with our audience which one yung favorite prose, poetry, and then for you of course yung illustration, which one did you have fun interpreting and putting into art form?
Sabi niya dito, you are the driver of your own bus. When someone no longer belongs on the journey, you can look at them and simply say, get out. You don't need to explain, you don't need to apologize, you don't need to make it dramatic. You just reclaim your space, your ride, your peace, let them walk away while you continue follow them.
I'm being redundant. So this one is, I didn't win by fighting. I won by outgoing. And then silence. O diba? Parang ano siya, maganda talaga siya. So, again, ladies and gentlemen, Mommy Berlin and Lian, they are the author and illustrators of When Silence Wins.
Ang pakiramdam ng isang hindi hardcore reader pero nasa book fair is parang gusto mo rin na maging author. Brings back memories when I was a teenager. The time na gusto kong maging writer, maging advertiser, journalist, filmmaker, artista, news reporter, TV host, radio announcer. Biniro din ako ng isang pare recently sa retreat namin. Bakit ako nasa school, hindi sa ABS-CBN or sa GMA or TV5? But looking at the present, hindi naman ako nanghinayang na naging teacher ako. If I remember it correctly, si Jessica Soho nagsabi na ang broadcaster at ang teacher magkapareha. Ang teacher sa classroom, ang mga broadcaster sa TV, sa radyo, sa internet. Pero pareho kaming nag-educate. Pareho kami nagbibigay ng impormasyon. So yung mga ginawa sa media ay pwede nang i-apply sa classroom. And that concludes this video. Feel free to follow my Instagram at nick.25 and my TikTok at @TikTok025. Again, thank you all for watching and I will see you next time. Babush!